Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Children, in the last class, we have seen the subtraction facts. That is, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the same number. And when we subtract 1 from any number, we get the before number. And when we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. These are the three facts we have learned. Now let us see one by one. All of you open page number 49, children. Here is the heading subtraction facts. Subtraction fact 1. Let me read this for you. Some children were playing in the park. There were 7 balls lying on the ground. No ball was picked up from the ground. How many balls are still lying on the ground? Now here, there are some balls on the ground. How many balls were lying on the ground? Come on, tell children. That is 7. 7 balls were lying on the ground. But no children picked up the ball. None of the child took the ball from the ground. How many balls are still lying on the ground now? Come on, tell. That is, count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 balls are there in the ground. 7 minus 0, that is the same thing what we have seen or read above. The same thing is written in a statement. 7 balls minus 0 balls. There were 7 balls lying on the ground, but no one took the ball. So 0 balls equal to 7 balls. There are still 7 balls lying on the ground. Now next heading we have is fill in the boxes. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Write down 2 in the box, children. Next, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Next, 15 minus 0. 15 minus 0 is 15. 12 minus 0. It is 12. 10 minus 0. It is 10. 19 minus 0. It is 19. What did you understand from this, children? If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. The answer is the same number. Now let's move on to subtraction fact 2. Let me give an example for the children. Rohan's father made 3 sandwiches. Rohan was very hungry. He ate up all the sandwiches. How many sandwiches are left now? Now here, see, Rohan's father made how many sandwiches, children? That is 3. 1, 2, 3. Rohan, he was very hungry. When he saw the sandwiches, he ate all the sandwiches. Now how many sandwiches are left on the plate now? You can see here, nothing. So when we how many sandwiches are left now? So how many sandwiches are left on the plate? You can see no sandwiches, 0 sandwich, 0. So nothing is left in the plate. Rohan, he was very hungry. He ate all the sandwiches. So nothing is left in the plate. That means when we subtract a number from itself, the answer will be 0. We get 0 as the answer. Here, see, the same thing we can write it in the statement. 3 sandwiches. Rohan's father made 3 sandwiches. And Rohan, he ate away all the sandwiches. That is minus 3. equal to 0 sandwiches. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. There are no sandwiches left. Is that clear, children? Now fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. First one, 7 minus 7. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0 as the answer. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. In the same way, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Next, 15 minus 15 is also equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. 19 minus 19 is also equal to 0. By this, what did you infer, children? What did you learn? When we subtract a number from the same number, we get 0. This is the subtraction fact 2. Now, let's move on to subtraction fact 3, children. Let me give this example for you. Riju has to climb 7 steps. He climbed up 1 step. How many steps are left for him to climb? See, there are 7 steps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. Riju, he climbed 1 step. He climbed 1 step. He is on this step. Now, how many steps are still left for him to climb? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 steps still he has to climb. The same thing we can write it as 7 steps minus 1 step equal to 6 steps. See here, 1, he is on the first step. Riju is on the first step. Again, still how many steps he has to climb, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps he has to climb. He has to climb 6 more steps. Is that clear, children? So, from this we can infer that is 7 minus 1. See here, 7 steps are there. He climbed 1 step. Now, how many steps are left means what we have to do? When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the before number. 7 before is 6. So, when we subtract 1 from any number, we get its before number, children. We have to remember this. Now, let's move on to the next heading, that is fill in the boxes. 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1. See here, 13, we are subtracting 1 from 13. When we subtract 1 from 13, that means we are getting the before number. We have to write down before number. What is the before number of 13, children? It is 12. Write down 12 in the box. Next, 17 minus 1. What is the before number of 17? It is 16. Here, now 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1. What is the before number of 15? It is 14. Minus, here minus means we are moving backwards. We are moving backwards, children. 9 minus 1. What is the before number of 9? It is 8. Next, 4 minus 1. What is the before number of 4, children? It is 3. 10 minus 1. What is the before number of 10? See here, minus sign is there. Before number of 10 is 9. So, what did you infer from this? When we subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the number before. That means we get the before number. Did you understand these subtraction facts, children? Very good. You have to practice all these once again, children. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.